everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chinwe Talks Project, where I share useful information, tools, tips, and hacks to help you become a successful project manager. In today's video, we're diving into the world of tools. Every project manager or team member should know how to use this tool. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're leading or managing complex projects or just collaborating with teams or keeping track of version changes, whatever it is. The right tools, in all honesty, can be a big game changer for you as a project manager or member of a project management team. Could be a project planner or whatever. Okay, let's talk about three essential categories today. First, we're going to talk about project management software. We're also going to talk about collaboration tools as well as reporting tools for project managers. We'll start with project management software. These tools, they're sort of like the backbone of organizing and managing tasks, timelines, and resources. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to focus on three popular project management tools or software you should know about. The first one is Microsoft Project. By the name alone, you can already tell who created it. Okay, it's Microsoft. It's a very robust project management tool that helps organizations plan, execute, and manage their projects efficiently. Those in the construction as well as the IT project management environment actually tend to, favor Microsoft Project because it allows users to create really detailed project schedules, assign resources, and also track progress through Gantt charts, the task lists, and visual dashboards. It even has advanced features like the critical path analysis. Side note, you see that critical path analysis? It humbled me. So having a tool to help with that is just super helpful. Microsoft Project also has resource leveling and custom reporting. We already know that it would of course integrate very well with or seamlessly with other Microsoft tools such as Excel, Teams, and Power BI. I mean, they come from the same family after all. So it's very helpful in enhancing collaboration and of course data visualization. To get it, you can either get it as a cloud-based solution or an on-premises solution. Project managers, like I said, they love it because it helps them with budgeting and managing their timelines. I started a video series where I teach you Microsoft Project. You can find it on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Okay. The second project management software I want to talk about is Asana. Asana is also a great tool. It supports various project views, including lists, boards, calendars, and timelines, making it adaptable to different workflows and team preferences. It's also got some amazing features like real-time collaboration, task dependencies, and integrates with quite a number of other tools out there like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. Personally, I feel and I believe the software is helpful with quite helpful with streaming communication and of course enhancing productivity because I mean that's what it was designed for, so it does that job. And no wonder it's used across a wide number of industries for not just project management but also managing marketing campaigns, product launches, events, whatever you name it. Asana has been used for it. I love it because it's user friendly. I first got introduced to it in 2015, I believe, by my bosses at that time, who used it to manage our deliverables because they worked remotely. So it's great for task tracking and team collaboration. You can use it to create projects, you can assign tasks on it, you can set deadlines, you can monitor progress visually. That's your team's progress visually using either the boards feature or lists, view. Especially great for teams looking for like an intuitive and flexible tool that suits them. The third project management software I want to talk about is Trello. I don't want to call it my all-time fave, but I love it. I got introduced to Trello in 2016 by a US company I used to freelance for back then as a writer. My goodness, I created so many types of content and did so many SEO related work for different clients, so it was necessary to assign boards to different sub projects. I found that super helpful because I could keep track of what I was doing for what client. What I love about it is that it uses a visual card-based system to organize the tasks and the workflows. When you're done with this task, you can move it to the next column. You know, it's great for smaller projects or teams that prefer a simplified approach. I personally use it to manage and track my personal development goals for the year. Yes, even my life is a project, believe it or not. It's highly customizable and you can integrate it, like Asana, you can integrate with other tools like Slack or Google Drive. And if you're like me that loves to color code everything, then Trello is the software for you. Don't get overwhelmed by all these things I'm mentioning, all the softwares. The idea here is just for you to pick a tool that best matches the complexity of the project you're leading and your team's needs as well. Okay, now let's move on to something every team needs: collaboration tools. With collaboration tools, these are very important. As a matter of fact, collaboration tools are critical for keeping your teams connected, especially in today's world where everyone wants to work remotely, including me. Yours truly, yes. Some of the tools I mentioned previously, like Trello and Asana, aid collaboration as people get notified when an action is taken on any task, or if you want to call someone's attention to a task. But there are some specific tools that focus primarily on getting people, to communicate effectively on projects. Some of those tools include Slack, Basecamp, and Microsoft Teams. There are many others out there, but my top two for the purpose of this video, just this video, is Slack and Microsoft Teams. Slack is, oh my God, I love Slack. IT teams love Slack because it's all about instant communication. It's all about, creating channels for specific projects or teams. You can send direct messages. You can share files, attach files. It also integrates, with other tools like the other software I mentioned. It integrates with tools like Trello, Google Drive, and GitHub. So that makes it quite versatile if you ask me. The second collaboration tool is Microsoft Teams, very popular. It combines messaging with video conferencing and file sharing all in one place. It's particularly powerful, of course, especially if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, like you're working with Microsoft products like Outlook or SharePoint or OneDrive, whatever. On Microsoft Teams, you can schedule, host, and record meetings. You can even collaborate on documents in real time, and people can see changes that you've made. And you can even manage tasks using Microsoft's Planner. All right. Both tools have their strengths. So the choice for me just depends on whether your team prefers a more streamlined chatting experience like Slack, or they want an all-in-one platform where they can literally make anything. It's like an office. So that would be Microsoft Teams. Okay. The third thing we're going to be talking about is reporting tools. They play a very crucial role in project management because they provide teams with the ability to track progress, analyze performance, and communicate updates effectively. These tools help project managers and stakeholders visualize key metrics, that's project metrics such as timelines, budgets, resource utilization, and of course, risks. Because they can provide real-time data and customizable reports, they're very, crucial to ensuring that decision makers have the necessary insights that they require to keep the project on track. So whether it's a small internal project or initiative or a large scale complex project, reporting tools really do help make the job of gathering and presenting critical information a lot easier. All right. Some of the tools I've mentioned in the past, in all honesty, can achieve this task. That's the task of reporting. So, for instance, Microsoft Project also offers detailed Gantt charts. They have CAS resource usage reports and timeline tracking for, providing comprehensive project oversight. My favorite part is the project overview report that shows you the percentage completion rates of the project. We also have other ones, Asana and Trello. They have built-in reporting dashboards that provide an overview of the progress of the tasks that the team is working on and the team workload. But if you want more advanced analytical type solutions, then you want to be looking at Power BI and Tableau. Those ones allow integration with project management software to ensure that the visuals are interactive and they're able to provide in-depth reports, to stakeholders. So good thing about this tool is that they don't only highlight the areas that require attention, but they highlight also the areas where the team is also doing very well, and this helps with boosting, team morale and accountability. So like I said, the benefit just goes beyond simply providing updates. They also help to keep stakeholders aligned and informed, providing that much needed transparency that is required in the project environment. The automated reporting feature, again, it just saves time for project managers because it reduces that manual effort that is required to start compiling tons of data. This way, the project manager and the team members can focus more on strategy or more things that require problem solving. Okay, like I said, it's a great tool, or they are great tools because they just provide a unified view of project performance across multiple tools and teams as well. As a project manager, you've mastered these tools, you'll be at the top of your game because you'll be able to ensure that your projects run smoothly from start to finish. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section and encourage me by subscribing so I can share more useful tips, tricks, and hacks to get your project management game to the next level. Until next time, bye.